All right, so apparently the aim of the game is to burst the balloon to unveil the prize in it. But for us to get a chance at throwing the dart, our producer has given us a phrase or a name of a person, and we have 5 seconds to quickly say 3 words to factually describe that person or phrase. For example, if they say Beyonce, we can say sexy singer, my wife. So, oh, you're so close to this.
You know, so Jay-Z have people out here in Jamaica that are his friends.
It's my family.
So I would advise you
Oh,
very
you're so
carefully.
close. Your arms longer than mine, so oh, you're so close.
What's the question you're getting at?
That you're going to grab it before me every time.
And,
All right.
and what's the question?
What's the first question? If
It's
Jody
supposed
can
to be a
move out,
picture of
tell
a
me.
person. Jody, short, loss, social media.
Ugly. 3 gifts you would give a newlywed couple. I may have 5 seconds. What? What that? See, if something just reached, it
just start,
Thank you. It just started.
It gets the same time to move on now.
I don't understand the lady.
No, Melissa.
See, just I got to 2-1. No, you said the time up. That's what. Isn't that what you said?
May we have another one? May we have
No, but
another
you
one
said the
for
time
Neville
was
to
up.
respond to?
All right, 5 seconds. I'd give them a kettle. I would give them a mattress.
But the 5 now move.
Thank you very much. All right.
I think the fun of the fun stops is if we're going to actually get them moving before the show.
Ready now? All right. I'll give them a kettle, I'll give them a mattress, and I'll give the 5 second up.
The 5 second up long time.
All right, next one. That's too short. But you can't. Make me
not
number
working.
that. 3 reasons why you would be late.
Oh, no, that's a me.
Stop it, Isa.
The alarm clock, a punctured tire, traffic.
Fling this up. She did up already before the 3rd one, but I don't know. I will give it to her. Where aim after me,
I
sir?
don't know why you're. How far are we to
Right
stay?
here, you must throw it from. Right
Oh.
here.
Then you can't show from inside. Look at the arrow. You have it in front side.
Sure.
A personal chauffeur
For 2
2
weeks.
weeks.
It's not me. Next question.
Them plan that one day through them want me come early.
Next question. 3 famous persons with the last name Brown.
Wow.
Carl Brown, Way Brown name, Chris Brown, and Whitney Brown. Where Whitney
Who
Brown?
name
name?
Whitney Brown?
Where Whitney Brown name? Where him name? Bobby Brown. So me get 2 out of 3. One again. Me never get the 3.
Is it Whitney Brown?
Yeah, me don't remember.
Do you remember Whitney Martin name before you remember Whitney right name?
No, but what him name? What him name?
Bobby Brown.
Yeah, all right. Next.
Me know I said Jim Brown, but me don't know if it's
Yeah,
right
Jim
name.
Brown would be a good one. Famous. Name 3 things that rhyme with lips.
Sips, tips, whips.
Fling something, man.
Let me fling it in.
The hand lady don't like me. Aye! A bag of juice and patty from your favorite patty company.
Hey, thank you, Tasty.
Who's the chauffeur for the 2 weeks, though?
You.
Oh, Coulson.
Coulson.
No, sorry, in trouble.
Arrow.
Oh.
Sometimes I really take you seriously. Sometimes things going on.
Next question. 3 words to describe Empress. Loud, louder, and loudest. Thank you very much.
A whole morning we not gonna draw this up then?
Full expense paid trip to Cancun. That sound like it right beside Ocho Rios. The sound has said me go.
Oh my God.
With Empress. I beg. You know me that going there.
I think you
Anybody trouble me just say, Empress Eater, deal with them. She just say, my people, my people, my people. Next question.
More on
So
style
I say,
after the
leave
break
Baba.
is the
So then I
next
say, I
one.
want you to leave Baba alone. 3 parishes in Jamaica with Saint.
St. James, St.
Saint
Elizabeth,
and
and
Saint Catherine.
St. Anne.
One to Saint Catherine.
No, she said 3, she never say all of them.
A pure easy one you get. But you're not expert. Or you get $10. 10 Jamaican dollars.
Bertie said, you're not expert.
Is I not expert? Come again. The next one, man. Come now. Name 3 reggae girls. Sydney Schneider, Khadija Shaw, and Jody Brown. First class flight.
Oh, to Cancun with Empress.
Beside Ocho Rios.
To Cancun with Empress.
Hey, it's a good thing. Nobody never behind this, you know. Right there, need that go.
One last one. Okay,
Come
Benjamin.
Name 3 Jamaican artists. Bozo, Berries, and...
Boris.
Who's Boris?
Gardner.
Oh. Bozo, Berries.
And Boris.
Who? I'm Bob. Delia is a dance expert, me see it. Delia, I'm afraid. Yeah, this one said nothing.
Harold, what does that mean? Bertie said I'm a dart expert. Harold said a Spanish town she come from. Dart experts are from Spanish town?
I think he must trying to tell you something.
I'm not going where he's going. I used to play darts.
Come on, man, give me another one now.
No, let's just see
You
if we
finish?
can finish it in all the balloons. Really? See, I missed that one. See?
Nothing again.
So all of this side is nothing?
No, that one I mean one.
No, you have to throw it, Neville.
This said 3,000 US.
You have to throw it.
I need spending money for me and
You have to
Empressita.
You don't need spending money. You
Of
said
course.
Empress is good. I think everybody should step back. Okay. Okay. Oh, wow. Let's all pretend we didn't see where the last one went.
See it there?
Harold,
Hurry for bring it up. Hurry, the worst.
Good morning, Mrs. Grant.
That look like a javelin. Remember World
Oh
Championship
my God,
coming?
only 2 are left. That's crazy.
4. You can't
Yeah,
count.
4.
You can't count. They can't count. One of the prize should be a calculator. They can't count. One of the prize should be a calculator.
Please don't hit the floor again. I'm just asking. Okay.
That was close.
Okay.
You know, so me have the style too.
No.
We just don't have the accuracy.
I don't think you have this style.
All right, folks, we're going to go for a break. More and smile when we come back. Stay with us, please. Soon come.
Stay, Harold, moving or move. These ones are so small.
Yes, man. Hey! That one they said 2 weeks tour after 40.